Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction one digit. The lessons we're going to cover today are subtract one digit numbers up to 10, ways to subtract up to 10, writing subtractions and subtract a one digit number from a two digit number up to 18. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on grade 2 math. We're going to start with the first lesson, that is subtract one digit number up to 10. So subtract, you have to do 5, take away 4, right? Let's start with an example. For example, you have 5 notebooks, right? 4 of them crossed out. How many of the book you are left with? You are left with just one, right? So 5 take away 4 is 1. That means you have total 5 notebook. 4 of them are crossed. You're left with only one. So 5 take away 4 is 1. Got it? Basically, that's the concept. Taking away means you remove the things or you give it to someone else, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Subtract 9, take away 6. So, which is the correct option? The total lamps are 9. 6 of them are crossed. You need to count the one that are not crossed. So, which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That's option number 1. So, that means 9 take away 6 is 3. You need to count the ones that are not crossed. 1, 2, 3. So, 9 take away 6 is 3. Got it? The correct option is 3. Subtract 7, take away 3. So, which is the correct option? You have total 7 of the peach, right? 3 of them are crossed. How many you are left with? 7 take away 3 equals 4. You have to count the ones that are not crossed. They are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the correct option is 4. 7 take away 3 is 4. Subtract 5, take away 1. So which is the correct option? The correct option is you have total 5 tens, right? One of 10 is yes. 5 take away 1 is 4. The correct option is 4. Subtract 10, take away 6. So which is the correct option? 10 take away 6 is Yes, that is 4. You need to count the one that are not crossed, right? So they are 4. So 10 take away 6 is 4. 5 take away 4. So which is the correct option? 5 take away 4 is, yes, 1 it is. The correct option is 1. You are left with only one notebook. So the correct option is 1. The next one is subtract 9 take away 5. So 9 take away 5 equals, 4 it is. 9 take away 5 is 4. The correct option is 4. Very good, everyone. Eight take away one, which is the correct option? Yes, 7 it is. 8 take away 1 is 7. Very good. 7 take away 1. So which is the correct option? The correct option is, very good, 6 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is ways to subtract up to 10. Let's just start with the next lesson. That makes 3. So which is the correct option? Which one makes 3? Yesterday. Yesterday we don't have the session with grade 3 math. 2 math, sorry. How do you make 3? Which is the correct option? 2 minus 0 is 2 minus 0, 4 minus 0, 10 minus 0. Let's just solve. Let's see which one makes 3, right? 2 take away 0 is 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 0 is 4. And 10 minus 7 is again 3. You have to select the one that makes 3. So the correct option is option number. Yes, option 3 is the one that makes 3, right? 10 minus 7 is the correct option. Select all the ways that to make 9, which is the correct option. The correct option is all the ways to make 9. Yes, option number 1 is the correct option. 10 minus 1 is the only option that makes 9, right? Oh, what's wrong with the... Okay, the next one is how do you make 0? So which option is the correct one? You have to make 0, right? So the correct option is 9 minus 9 equals 0. Option 3 is the correct option. Subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. So the correct option is 9 minus 9. Got it? Which is not a way to make 4. So which is the correct option? That means you have to select the one that doesn't make 4. Option 3 makes 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. The correct option is 5 minus 0. That's the only option that is not a way to make 4, right? The correct option is 5 minus 0. Listen and then answer, right? Which is not a way to make 7, which is the correct option? Yes, that's option number 1. 9 minus 1 is the correct option. The correct option is you don't have to make 2. How option number 1? 2 minus 0 is 2. The correct option is option number 3 is the correct option. 3 minus 0 equals 3. That's the option that is not a way to make 2. That means you don't have to make 2, right? So option 3 is the one that doesn't make 2. 3 minus 0 is 3. How do you make 10? Which is the correct option? You have to make 10, right? Yes, option number 2 is the correct option. 10 minus 0 is 10. How do you make 8? Which is the correct option? That's option number 2. Very good. 9 take away 1 makes 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. How do you make 5? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 7 minus 2 equals 5. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next one is writing subtraction sentences up to 10. Let's just start with the lesson. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So you have to understand the picture and then you have to write down the subtraction sentence. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 ice creams here, right? And all of them are crossed. So that means the sentence for this one is 8 minus 8 equals 0. Because all of them are crossed, what's wrong with the board? Because all of them are crossed, so you are not left with any of them. So that is 8 minus 8 is 0, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Nine minus 4 equals 5. How do we write it as subtraction sentence? That is option number 1, right? You have to replace the word minus with a negative sign and equals with the equality sign, right? So 9 minus 4 equals 5. Like that's how we pronounce we read the sentences, right? 8 minus 4 equals 4, which is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. You have to replace the minus with the negative sign and equals with the equality, and you need to write down the numbers. That is 8 minus 4 equals 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Now you have to count and see which option is the correct one, right? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the pianos, right? And 4 of them are crossed out. So you are left with only 3. So the correct option is option number 3 is the correct option. That is 7 take away 4 equals 3, because you have total 7 piano. 4 of them are crossed and you are left with only 3. So that is 7 take away 4 equals 3. Got it? Picture shows 4 take away 4 equals 0. Which is the correct option? That is option number 1 is the correct option. You have 4 flowers. They all are crossed and you are left with 0. So option number 1 is the correct option. That would be 4 take away 4 is 0. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9. So that means, and 3 of them are crossed. 6 of them are crossed. 9 take away 6 equals 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Yes, that is 5 take away 4 equals 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. All right, this as a subtraction sentence. So which is the correct option? 7 minus 6 equals 1. That is option number 1. You have to replace the words with the signs, right? Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 9 take away 9 is 0. They are 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 8. 8 take away 8 is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8. 8 take away 8 is 0. The correct option is 8 take away 8. The next one is 7 take away 4 is 3. Write this as a subtraction sentence. So which is the correct option? Take away means you need to subtract, right? That is option number 3 is the correct option. Taking away means you are going to subtract. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. Got it? 6 less 0 is 6. So which is the correct option? Less taking away, these all are the numbers you can use instead of word subtract, right? More means you have to add, less means you have to subtract. So the correct option is option number. Yes, option number 1 is the correct option. 6 take away 0 is 6. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is subtract a one-digit number from a two-digit number up to 18. Let's just start with the lesson. So the first example is 15 take away 1, right? So when subtracting, you can count back, right? So you have to go back one digit. 15, the one digit when you go back, that would be 14. So that means the difference is 14, right? So whatever method you find easy for you to subtract, you can follow the method, right? 12 take away 7 is 6. You can count, sorry, 5. You can count back, right? Start with 12, count until 7. 12, go back 7. Tw- Hold on. 12 minus 7. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12 take away 7 is 5. You need help with the adding, you can just write down the lesson name and with grade and search the YouTube channel. I have already covered these lessons 3-4 times earlier, right? That's why this time I skipped, because every day we're doing same lessons, same lessons. That's why I skipped those lessons. If you need help with them, you can just write down the lesson name and the grade on the channel. You can find the lessons there, right? 12 take away 7 is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. 15 take away 1, which is the correct option. 15 take away, yes, 14 it is. You just have to go back one digit, right? So that would be 14. 16 take away 2 equals, you have to go back 2, right? 16, 15, 14. So that means 16 take away 2 is 14. The correct option is 14. 10 minus 8 equals, yes, the correct option is 2. 10 take away 8 is 2. 16 take away 9, which is the correct option. Yes, 9 it is. 16 take away 9 is 7. 7 it is, sorry, not 9. Subtract 13 take away 3. So which is the correct option? that is 10. The correct option is 10. 13 take away 3 is 10. 16 take away 5, which is the correct option? 16 take away 5 is 11. It is option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. Subtract 10 take away 4, which is the correct option? 10 take away 4 equals ten take away 4 equals yes, 6. It is option number 1 is the correct option. 10 take away 4 is 6. Option 11. It is the correct option is 11. 12 take away 9, which is the correct option? 12 take away 9 is 3. It is the correct option is 3. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is subtraction one digit. The lessons we have covered today are subtract one digit numbers up to 100, ways to subtract up to 10, writing subtraction sentences up to 10, subtract a one digit number from a two digit numbers up to 18, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Sky available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please ask if you have any question. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.